Hello students, welcome to Computer Studies. Have you ever heard the term file? Yes, of course you have heard it. So, what do you mean by file in terms of computers? So here, a file is the collection of information that is stored under one name and it is called as a file. This information could be anything. It can be text, image, music, audio or video. Now, on computer, files are represented by certain icons, right? So, it is easy to recognize what type of file it is by looking at its icon. Here are some of the common file icons given. Let me show you. Actually, this is the extra topic. It is not included in your particular syllabus, but it is the requirement of our course, computers. So, you should know these things. Let me show you. So, very first, such a kind, if you see such an icon, it represents text file actually. And if you see such a kind of icon, W, and after that it is certain picture kind of thing and it represents WordFed file. If the logo of W is like this with certain lines, okay, so it represents a Word file. Of course, there is picture image also there. So, like this, okay. If you find such a kind of icon which include image or picture, so of course it is a picture or image file only. If you find certain triangular sign here in case of computer file, so it is an example of audio or music file. प्ले बटन आप जब भी प्ले करते हो मोबाइल में, काफ़ी सारे बार क्या होता है कि वीडियो शेयर करते हो तो प्ले या पॉज करने के लिए जो बटन होता है, सो दैट इज़ नथिंग बट द ऑडियो और म्यूजिक फाइल एंड इट इज़ रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय सच आइकन. नेक्स्ट इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ वीडियो फाइल. वीडियो फाइल में देख सकते हो आप लोग किस तरह से है ना, कैसे ब्लैक एंड वाइट यहाँ पे इमेज जैसा दिया हुआ है एंड इट इज़ एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ वीडियो फाइल ओनली. नेक्स्ट इज अ फोल्डर. Now students, let us start with this topic. A group of files of similar type is called a folder. इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि एक जैसे टाइप की जब फाइल्स आप एक फोल्डर में रखते हो तो फोल्डर जैसे नाम रिप्रेजेंट करता है ग्रुप ऑफ फाइल्स ऑफ सिमिलर टाइप. ठीक है. Here are two types of folders that you see in your computer. Now आपने कंप्यूटर में इस तरह का फोल्डर देखा ही होगा, है ना, येलो कलर का. इट रिप्रेजेंट्स एन एम्प्टी फोल्डर एंड इट इज़ यूजुअली नेम्ड एज न्यू फोल्डर. जैसे आप ये लेते हो राइट क्लिक न्यू फोल्डर, अदरवाइज न्यू फोल्डर ऊपर वहाँ पर टैब भी होता है, वहाँ से वो बटन प्रेस करके आप न्यू फोल्डर बना सकते हो. अनटिल यू गिव इट अ नेम, जब तक नाम नहीं देते हो वहाँ पर न्यू फोल्डर ही नाम रहेगा बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट. फिर न्यू फोल्डर न जाने आप कितने भी ले रहे हो, सो इट विल बी 1 2 सो ऑन लाइक दैट. ओके. और अगर आपके फोल्डर के अंदर इस तरह से कुछ पेजेस भी खुले हुए दिख रहे हैं, सो इट रिप्रेजेंट्स अ फोल्डर दैट कंटेन्स फाइल्स और अदर सब फोल्डर्स. इस फोल्डर का मतलब है कि इसमें दूसरी काफ़ी सारी फाइल्स भी हैं और दूसरे सब फोल्डर्स भी हैं. ओके. सो a folder can also store other folders also. A folder with a folder is called as a subfolder. तो subfolder किसे बोलते हैं बच्चों? So it is nothing but the folder within a folder. It is a subfolder. You can create any number of subfolders actually, and even a subfolder can have any number of files and other subfolders also. So in one subfolder or in one folder you can keep as many folders or subfolders as required, as you want. Okay, there is no restriction. So students, the main thing to know is what is file and what are different folders. So स्टूडेंट्स, आपको इसके डेफिनेशंस नोटबुक में लिखने हैं और साथ साथ में ये आइकन्स, ये जो सभी दिखाए हैं यहाँ पर आइकन्स, ये सभी आपको ड्रॉ करने हैं नोटबुक में कंप्यूटर्स की. ओके, यू हैव टू राइट डाउन द डेफिनेशन ऑफ फाइल एज वेल एज फोल्डर and you have to draw these things, icons, and what they represent. Of course you have to write down after that what does this mean. So after finishing this task, come to the next point, that is libraries. Yes, you have heard this term also. What do you mean by library? In case of Windows, libraries is a feature that helps you to store and organize your files and folders. जो भी फाइल्स और फोल्डर्स हम लोग बनाते हैं उसे अच्छे से ऑर्गेनाइज करने के लिए लाइब्रेरी दी होती है. बाय डिफ़ॉल्ट देयर आर 4 लाइब्रेरीज इन विंडोज़. विंडोज़ में 4 तरह की लाइब्रेरीज होती है. एक होता है डॉक्यूमेंट लाइब्रेरी, सेकेंड वन इज़ पिक्चर्स लाइब्रेरी, थर्ड वन इज़ म्यूज़िक लाइब्रेरी and fourth one is videos library. Very first, document library. It is used to store and organize text files, that means notepad file, wordpad documents, word documents, spreadsheets or presentations, etc. So all these files, whenever you are not saving in a particular folder, then by default it will be there in documents library. So by default all the files that you save, move or copy are stored in my documents folder or document library. Next one is pictures library. It is used to store and organize pictures such as photographs or images from your camera, scanner or email. Now, pictures library is for organizing and storing the pictures. By default, all the pictures that you save, move or copy are stored in My Pictures folder library. Okay. Next one is music library. It is used to store and organize music such as songs that you pick from audio CD or you download it from the internet. So basically music library is used to store and organize music. And here also by default all the music files that you save, move or copy are stored in My Music folder, that is in My Music library. Okay. And the last one is video library. It is used to store and organize videos such as clips from your digital camera or camcorder or video files that you downloaded from internet. Here also by default all video files that you save, move or copy are stored in My Videos folder. Okay. So that is in video library, right? So students, what you need, you just need to practice these things. If you have PC available at home, then you can open these libraries like this. Click on Start button. On the taskbar, you will see such a Start menu, and in that you will be finding these libraries, document, pictures and music. These 3. Okay. So students, revise these things at home and do your homework on time. Thank you.